In the previous class, we know about it. The hormones influence on the different phases of reproduction. Today we know about it, how the sex determination taking place in human beings. What is the meaning of this sex determination? Before that, let's go back to the previous classes, that is a cell. Our body is made up of cell. The cell activities are controlled by nucleus. Cell activities are controlled by nucleus. When you are writing the diagram of a nucleus, you are writing like a thread-like structure in the nucleus. I will enlarge this nucleus. Now I will write only nucleus. This is the nucleus means. Here we find the thread-like structure. We call it is DNA, or we can say chromatin thread, which carry the hereditary characters, the characters from parents to offsprings. Then you take the DNA or maybe chromatin thread during reproduction. During reproduction, this DNA or maybe chromatin thread breaks and form a thick structures. We call they are chromosomes. Thick structures we call them chromosomes. Only during the cell division. During cell division, we find the chromatin thread breaks and form a thick layer we called chromosomes. Come to human beings. In the human beings, each cell nucleus containing 46 chromosomes. How many? 46 chromosomes. We are always saying the chromosomes are in the pairs. That is 23 pairs of chromosomes. The number of chromosomes vary from one organism to another organism. I am saying about only human being. In the human being, we find 23 pairs of chromosomes. Among these, the 22 pairs are called autosomes. We call them autosomes. And the other pair, one more pair, we call they are sex chromosomes. Sex chromosomes. So in the human beings, the each cell nucleus containing 23 pairs of chromosomes, and among that the 22 pairs are called autosomes. Autosomes means not involved in reproduction. And one pair of chromosomes we call sex chromosomes. Today let's know about sex chromosomes. One pair of sex chromosomes in human cells. Especially in male and female reproductive cells. The male reproductive cell, what do you call it? Test, which produce the reproductive cell, we call it as sperm. And the female reproductive organ is ovary, which produce the cell, we call it as egg or ovum. Egg or ovum. So here in these cells, the 46 chromosomes which containing one pair of sex chromosomes, that one pair of sex chromosomes in the sperm is both are different in nature, differ in structure. We call that sex chromosomes in the sperms. They are mention it as X and Y. Always be writing capital letters. In each sperm, it is not having a X chromosome and Y chromosome. But in a one sperm, it should be X. Maybe in another sperm, it should be Y chromosome. That means the sperms are of two types which containing one is X chromosomes or maybe Y chromosomes. On the basis of the structure, just they are different, but both are chromosomes only. In the eggs, we find the chromosomes of only X chromosome. Only X chromosomes. So I will write the X chromosomes, the X are round shaped. This is X chromosome. In the female reproductive cell, all the chromosomes, all the sex chromosomes are only X. But in the male body, the sperms contain the chromosomes. Some sperms contain X chromosomes, some sperms containing Y chromosomes. So how is the structure of a sperm? It is having a head and a middle piece with the tail. Here we find the DNA, that is a chromosomes. I will write here the X chromosome and I will write here Y chromosome also. You know that the sperms unite with, combine with the egg, we call it is a fertilization. Fertilization means the fusion, combining of a sperm and egg. Here, the egg in the egg we find only X chromosomes. X chromosomes. If you write many more eggs in every egg, we will write only X chromosomes. X chromosomes are the sex chromosomes in female body. And in the male body, it produces some sperms containing X chromosomes, some sperms containing Y chromosomes. No percentage of how many X or how many Y are there. In some body, maybe only X chromosomes. Now this X chromosome of a Y, the sperm containing a X chromosome. What's the color of it? Green. So this should be fused. This should be fused with this chromosome. This is egg. Which type of a chromosome it is? Yes, it is a X. Then the born baby should be X. We call it, the baby should be girl. How can you decide it? A baby born is girl on the basis of the fusion of an X chromosome sperm with the egg. If the Y chromosome sperm fused with the egg, then it forms XY. The born baby should be boy. So girl means the XX chromosomes and boy means XY chromosomes. Maybe because of this reason, the girls always like matching. Then, how can you determine this? By the type of chromosome, type of a chromosome present in a sperm fused to the egg. And who is responsible for the decision maker? Who is responsible for a type of a baby born? Who is it? Mother or father? Yes, you are right. Father is responsible for the type of a baby born. But in our Indian religion, we are saying mother is responsible, so a man can marry many more wives. But scientifically, man is a decision maker in the decision of a sex of a baby. So, girl means the chromosomes are X and X, always write in capitals, and the baby should be boy means the chromosomes are X and Y. Likewise, we can determine the sex of a baby, whether a boy or girl. Children, if you have doubts, clarify by the phone call or maybe message in the WhatsApp. Thank you. Jai Shri Guru.